With so many videos on YouTube today on what to bring to your cruise ship, they'll give you lists of 20, 25, 50 things to bring on your cruise. Do you really need that? I don't think so. And I'm going to show you what I bring on my cruise. I've been cruising since 2008, and I'm going to show you what I bring so that you can leave everything that you don't need at home and purchase unnecessary things. This year, Southwest did away with their bags fly free. I personally take Southwest quite frequently, and that really hurt me and the pocketbook. So I went out promptly and tried to go and find some alternative so that I would never have to check a bag again. And let's face it, most of the flights are into Florida, and they have thunderstorms in the afternoon and will shut down the baggage claim for 1 to 3 hours during the thunderstorms because it's unsafe for the baggage handlers to handle the bags and put them on the conveyor belts. So you get off your flight and they say, oops, sorry, you can't pick up your bags. I went out and looked for a carry-on bag that I can bring on all my travels and not have to pay a premium price each flight to check in my bag. That was light, durable, and cruise worthy. So let me show you what I found. Sometimes today the airlines run out of overhead bin space and you do have to check in your bag. So what I like is this hard-sided because all of my things are still protected. And also what was the main feature for me personally is that it had a laptop envelope so that I can pack my laptop in here. It doesn't add weight to my next carry-on bag and still protects it. And then it also, because it's hard-sided, I feel like it fits more things in it. So, love this bag. Some of the features on the outside of the luggage is that it has TSA approved lock. It is expandable, so as you pack, which I do, I stuff it to the gills. And also easy to have this handle roll away, and it's easy to move on carpet, no problem. And you don't have to pull it, you can just pull it aside along the side of you and it will stay near your body. So less stress on your body trying to pull it. My next item is this backpack. I looked for this backpack for almost 6 months. I tried 4 or 5 different backpacks from Amazon and other stores, and then I came across this one. It's definitely the best. The zippers, you can tell the quality in the zippers, and hands down beats the competition. Because it's from Target, it's still reasonably priced, and it goes on sale occasionally. So let me show you the nuts and bolts of this. It has so many pockets, you're gonna stay organized. This large pocket right here, it fits half my arm. I put in my electronics, my laptop cord, my mouse, any cords, things like that, and it fits all of that. It also has this side pocket right here, this front pocket, which is a shallow pocket, but it's nice to fit any tickets that you have or things that you need right away on the flight. This shallow pocket, I love to put my headphones in. Anything that I need on the plane, I usually put in this front pocket. So I'll put in any snacks, my AirPods, or my noise canceling headphones, things that I'm just going to use immediately to keep them handy. This has this huge pocket right here, and it's about half, 3/4 way down. And this is more like a desk organizer, so you can have slots for your pencils, pens, any kind of organizers, papers. I keep my WOW band in it so that I don't forget it at home, things like that. And then it opens up to a clamshell type luggage and has a nice zipper pocket to keep everything closed here, and fits just as much as a carry-on luggage, no joke. So I fit shoes, I fit all my clothes in here, and super convenient, soft-sided and whatnot. On this side, you have a waterproof bag. You can also just use this for extra additional organizational storage. And then this mesh pack, what I do is I keep extra bottles of sanitizer, my wipes, my Lysol disinfecting wipes. I keep these laundry sheets so that if I have to clean something in the sink, or if the ship is equipped with self-serve laundry, I have these sheets here and don't have to buy any on the ship. The other thing I love about this bag is that it's about a year old. It's like waterproof material. It may be just water resistant, but it has held the test of time. Let me tell you, things have been spilled on this. It just beads off and rolls off. It has a few little scuff marks on it, but I'm sure they can be wiped off. It's just that I have not done that. Now, when I carry this in the airport, when it's all full, I take it, use this right here, and I slip it on here, and I am ready to go. And I don't have to actually physically carry anything on me, which is really nice. Now, the next item that I want to show you are these packing cubes. I don't go crazy with organization, but these are a nice to have. So what I do is I have one bag. This bag has my swimsuit, a cover up in it. I also have a foldable mesh bag, beach bag that I take with me. This bag just carries all of my swim items or port days, what I would need, my sunscreen, etc. And I don't have to search for anything. It's just right there. This set comes with, I don't know, 6-8 bags. There's a whole bunch that you can invest in. They're expandable, etc. I don't really use them because you want to pack less. I use them for just organizational, so that all my socks, underwear are in one, my shirts, my shorts, and I don't have to constantly unpack. Anything that are in these is clean, zip it up, and they go their merry way home. The next item that I have that I find useful is this expandable laundry hamper, and it takes up no space whatsoever, but it's great because I just throw it against the wall and your room is organized, and your room steward, or just for your family and friends that are coming into your room stays tidy. So I really like that, and literally takes up no space and is super cheap. So I always bring that. The next item that I bring is this travel umbrella. I really like it because it takes up no space in your bag, and yet you have it for those Caribbean showers, or if you're in Alaska, and literally is lightweight, takes up no space. Speaking of the hot Caribbean sun, I love this rechargeable USB-C handheld fan. It has 3 speeds, it takes up no room in your bag, and really can get the air going so that you stay cool in that hot, blistering sun. Sometimes your stateroom gets a little warm and stuffy. So what I like to do is bring this USB-C rechargeable fan, and it has 5 speeds. It also has a digital display that shows the percentage that the battery life is at. So that is super handy. It has unbelievable airflow. What's great about this fan is that you can stick it to the wall and aim the airflow that you want, and that is more convenient for you. Also, if you are one of those people that like the airflow on you while you sleep, you can actually just stick it right there on the ceiling and have a ceiling fan while you sleep. I have this pill organizer that has 6 dividers. It holds a massive amount of vitamins, pills that you may take, and the top is just, you open it to the right area and you dispense it that way, flip it, and take the next pill. Great, you don't have all those bottles, and again, you're packing lighter. Moving on, we have this toiletry bag. It's a leatherette material. It's very wipeable, cleanable. It is somewhat water resistant. And what is amazing is you can have everything and the kitchen sink in this. It's both for men and women, comes in a multitude of colors and different prints and so forth. But on these countertops that sometimes that the ships have, there is no countertop space. It's at a premium. So what's great about this is that literally instead of trying to find something that's at the bottom of a toiletry bag, this literally opens up and holds so much stuff. I have all my makeup, I have hand sanitizer, I have a travel brush, I have my toothpaste, all my makeup, moisturizers, all your toiletry items, medicines if you need that. It has some pocket organizers, it has a zippered pack. But what's great about this is that it zips up, and you would never guess that all of those items are in there. And like I said, you can tell that I've used this and it has held up to the test of time with me. Next up is the TSA approved clear plastic bag. And for your shampoo, conditioner, I have a facial wash, I have hand soap because I don't like to use the bar soap that's provided by the cruise line, so I bring my own hand soap, liquid hand soap. I have deodorant, all my facial moisturizers, a leave-in conditioner in here, hand sanitizer, and it all fits in here, waterproof, TSA approved. It even comes with other refillable jars that you can refill yourself. It's just that I don't use that for my own items. This is what I pack with. So this is a great kit. I don't know, it comes with 10, 15 pieces, and I use the core 6 of them. So really love that. Now we all know how cruise ships don't let us charge anything. They have usually 1 to 2 US receptacles, and that is not enough nowadays for our charging needs. Between cell phones, computers, and camera equipment, you always run out. I take this European adapter by Anchor, and it is all cruise line approved. It has several USB-C and a receptacles, also a US receptacle, so that it gives you 1 more receptacle to be able to charge and use with. I know the cruise lines have their own lanyards, but I did invest in this lanyard. What attracted me to it was the clear display for my cruise card. It does have some slots so that you can carry your credit cards or ID with you. And it has the zippered section so that you can carry around tip money or just money when you go ashore. So I definitely like this better. I know you're probably wondering why I have a hair tie on my must-have list. Well, let me tell you, when you go to the beach and you have to leave your things behind while you go into the ocean, you're kind of worried about somebody stealing maybe your money or things like that. Well, this hair tie doubles as a little wallet. So it has a zipper and you can fit money right into it, and nobody's gonna steal it or think twice when they see a hair tie laying by your things. So I really like this and I recommend it. Now I have started taking these headphones on the airplane with me. They're noise canceling. They don't do the same noise cancellation I have found as the AirPods. So these are just for the flights for me. And you can listen to your favorite show and not have that humming airplane noise in the background. Now this bag is great for traveling. It fits right over your shoulder, close to your body, so that you don't have to worry about theft as much. It has unbelievable amount of pockets. I will show you that it has a small pocket right here. It has a card slot and a larger pocket, and then a huge pocket in here that you can load up with camera equipment, pills, makeup, hand sanitizer, pens. There's a little pocket in the back here and you can fit your passport, and I have this EpiPen in there, and this all fits. I can literally fit a camera in here and all the things that I need on my day of excursion. And what's nice too is that you have this concealed zipper pack on the back as well to slip something in there that you don't want, maybe that you don't need as often, or want to just conceal and not have on the outside. These items were a game changer in my packing for cruises. So I hope you can find some usefulness out of them as well. And I will leave links in the description below. And please let me know if you have an item or two that you find more useful that I didn't include here so that I can take a look. Thank you for watching.